what is Tall Tales? Toastmasters International Organization recognizes and supports Tall Tales as an official speech contest. But what we have today is not an official speech contest. It's just a contest for us to laugh and enjoy, and at the end of the day to recognize the wackiest three amongst us. The only eligibility criteria to be part of this contest is when the event chair has contacted you and you have accepted the invitation on time. The newer members of Medley have been giving speech after speech. But today, in this friendly competition, it's the contestants who had been members of Medley and who had stuck with her through thick and thin. Yes, it's the oldest members of Medley. The Tall Tale speeches will be usually from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. If the contestant speaks less than 2 minutes 30 seconds or more than 5 minutes 30 seconds, he will be disqualified. And the timing will begin with the contestants' first definite verbal and non-verbal communication with the audience. This usually is the first word uttered, or any sound effects, or any staged act by another person. The green light will be displayed at 3 minutes and will remain displayed for 1 minute. The yellow light will be displayed at 4 minutes and will remain displayed for 1 minute. And the red light will be displayed at 5 minutes and will remain displayed until the speech is concluded. A Tall Tale speech must be of highly exaggerated and improbable nature and must have a theme or plot. Humor and props may be used to illustrate and support the speech. Today, the voting is going to be a little different. The audience will be given 1 minute to list down the first, second and third place of speakers of their choice. And the listed speakers, the speaker who is listed as first will get 3 points, second will get 2 points, and third will get 1 point. The total scores of each ballot sheet will be calculated and the winners will be announced. So shall we begin the contest?
Yes.
Yes. So the first speaker for the day is our senior most